If you are having a problem with the brush clips staying attached to the brush holders, it's time to inspect the rubber pins. There are 2 rubber pins mounted in the rear cover of your Makita drill. These pins apply pressure to the brush clips and hold the clips to the brush holders if the drill is dropped or if there is some other form of impact to the back of the drill. Often, the pins simply fall out and are lost when the drill is disassembled for other repairs. Also, the rubber pins can be melted if the motor is overheated. I'll begin by removing the battery. Now remove the rear cap. It's held in place with 2 screws. The rubber pins are located inside the cap. There's 2 of them. To remove them, I'll just pull it out of the housing with a pair of needle nose pliers. The new pin just presses into place. Now I'll replace the rear cover and secure it with the screws.